Oh, okay.
You ready? Yo, seriously, let's go.
I have no idea.
He is now.
I am now.
Alright.
Go! Move, move, move! Oh, shit! Bang! 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 Oh, shit. I got it. Bang!
Come on, come on!
Come here. Oh, shit, hit. Fuck. I wasn't watching my height. Ah! Oh, okay.
Alright,
Ready? We're just bolting for it.
alright.
How much room we got over there?
There's really not a lot, so.
No.
Nothing in this, though. Nothing in this camera.
Yeah. What?
Yeah. All the way down, on that side of the window, on the back.
What happened?
All the way down. It's their fault. Look at
Move up, move up.
Yeah. Go, they're pushing up.
No, I can't. There's not enough room.
Alright.
Not enough room up there. Get the second one. Anthony, we're losing. Come on. I got you. Go, go, go.
Move in.
Yo, hold up. They got it. They got the flag. Fuck. Fuck. You got it right around the corner, left side. Fuck. Go, 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 friendly. Fuck. Oh, fuck. You got a ricochet in the fucking nose. They took the flag and they're out. Let's head to the church. Yeah, let's go to the church and cut them off. Guys, we gotta go to the church. We gotta cut them off.
Where are they holding the flag?
They're in the church. We gotta turn around.
In the church over?
Yeah.
Yo, let's go. Back it up.
Heads up. Watch your head. Watch your head. Pull out. Pull out. We're going to the POW in the church. I know. That's where it is. I'm moving. Yep. Yo, M short 8-5. Let's go.
Second stand in the stack. Let's go. Rock it. Rock it.
Go, go. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Oh shit, my bad.
The guy to your left right there.
Move, move, move. Over. Friendly's in the next room. Friendly's in the next room. Oh shit, it's too many people.
Where's the flag?
Where's the flag?
Come on, get guys in here. We need to stack up.
Go, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Everyone just run.
Hey, let's go.
Chill, be quiet, be quiet.
Go, go, go.
Oh shit. Sit down. Sit down.
Yo, back up and sit down.
I got no one. Wait, one guy. Guys, can I come in?
Yeah. Watch your head.
Where are they?
I don't know. Probably at the end of the hall. God damn, it's hot in here.
I got no guys.
They're on the other side of the wall.
Yo, guys, come in.
I got no guys down the hallway. One plus guys right next to that wall.
Yo, I know these guys. They're gonna rush too.
Oh shit, let's say it again. You ready?
No guys down that hallway.
I'm gonna try and get this one.
I'm pretty sure I got his foot. Start moving. Go. Oh, crap. That's right behind me.
Oh fuck.
What's going on with the phone?
Bang. Bang.
Yeah, I'm gonna stack up on you. Scissors.
Oh shit, we can't get the wall. Fuck. Jesus fucking Christ. Fuck. Are you kidding?
What?
I got you, don't worry.
We gotta move in some.
I'm moving,
I
right?
don't see anybody.
Oh, man.
He's on the other side. I'm crossing you, alright?
We gotta move in some suicide.
Oh, just me.
He's out.
There's more in there. Go, I got gun problems. Move up.
Ready?
Go.
What's wrong with your gun?
It's half feeding. Left building. Where's my gun?
It works.
It doesn't work.
No, it works now. I just fixed it.
Oh, alright. Go. Fall.
Should I stay with you?
I don't know.
Are they coming to you?
I don't know, my gun. Yeah, he fixed it, alright.
Why did everyone run away?
Because we got the flag.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Hey, let's get some men up here. We need men still to hold this corner.
You want to go with me?
I gotta put this back. I'll be right back. Let me get more men.
Yo!
Yo, kid, come with him. Go with him. Now, I need you guys. Don't leave that corner. Don't leave that corner.
Roger, let's go.
All right, we have that, but we can't lose that corner. No, I'm gonna use this. Connor, we have the flag, but we gotta hold that other corner too.
I just took out I went around the side and took out 3 guys. You gotta keep moving in.
I'm having gun troubles though. I'll be right there. Fuck.
See me?
We got it.